We're following some new developments tonight in the case of a former D.C. deputy mayor accused of sexual harassment. John Falcicchio, who resigned last May soon be under criminal investigation. But the D.C. Council says the investigation is on hold because the mayor's lawyers are not cooperating.
Our Delia Gonzalez joins us right now to bring us up to speed here. Indeed, this is the first time we're hearing about possible sexual assault charges, right?
Indeed, this is a bombshell reveal. The independent investigators requested the Attorney General look into possible sexual assault because they found Falcicchio not only harassed 2 employees and likely a third who did not come forward, but investigators say he had an on and off sexual relationship with a 4th subordinate.
I think we should be very concerned by the appearance of malpractice here. And it just...
Well, that's quite a word to use when you're talking to me.
A heated exchange between Ward 5 Councilmember Zachary Parker and Vanessa Natali, the deputy director of the mayor's office of legal counsel. Councilmembers and Attorney General Brian Schwalb accused the MOLC of withholding investigative documents needed to pursue possible criminal charges against former deputy mayor John Falcicchio.
It strikes me as you're hiding something.
An independent review by top D.C. law firm Arnold & Porter found Falcicchio, who resigned last May, sexually harassed up to 3 female employees and had a sexual relationship with another. They say his behavior created a toxic work environment at the Office of Planning and Economic Development.
As was revealed by the independent investigations, is absolutely a pattern of behavior, and men like this do not stop.
Councilmember Brianna Doe was among the leaders who called for an independent review after finding the mayor's lawyers presented a conflict of interest. And while the independent review found the MOLC conducted its investigation with integrity, they say MOLC failed to present its findings to police and must now hand over documents to support a possible criminal investigation.
It is imperative that they are given access to the evidence that's relevant to that investigative legal mandate.
The mayor's lawyer argued the attorney general did not have legal authority to all 350,000 documents. But after the threat of a lawsuit by the AG and a council request, the MOLC finally agreed to turn over some records.
I understand all the intrigue and the drama. There's nothing to hide here. There's no cover up. I could care less about that guy that's not here anymore. I met him once. There's no hiding. There's no nothing.
Now, to be clear, the D.C. Attorney General typically prosecutes juvenile cases and some adult misdemeanors. However, the AG's office could always refer the case to the U.S. Attorney if the charges they investigate rise to felony status. We know that last October, the mayor issued an executive order updating the city's sexual harassment policy, banning some relationships, calling for more training, and requiring 2 sexual harassment officers at every city agencies in order to support employees. What we learned today in this hearing, 17 D.C. agencies appear to not be in compliance. Les?
Yeah, we're just starting to learn about some of these things, but it sounds like we could be learning more soon. Delia, thank you.